Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today we're making a lovely, refreshing tequila cocktail. This is the 212. So this cocktail was created by Aisha Sharp and Willie Shine of the Cocktail Consultancy in New York. And basically 212 stands for the area code in Manhattan, as well as the ratio ingredients. So we've got Reposado Tequila, we've got Aperol, and we've got Grapefruit Juice. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of Reposado Tequila. So 2 ounces, that's the 2 of your 212. I'm using Reposado. This is Hornitos Reposado. It's kind of my go-to tequila. I rarely buy Blanco. I just find Reposados have more taste, more flavor. Next, we're doing 1 ounce of Aperol. Aperol is an Italian bitter liqueur. But this one, Aperol, is not as harsh and bitter as Campari. It's got a lot more sweetness to it. So if you're kind of off-put by Campari, you'll start with Aperol. All right, next up we have 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. This is freshly squeezed. So there you have it. You have your 212. Beautiful color. We are then going to fill our glass with ice. Are you subscribed? Are you? If you're not, what are you doing? Hit that button. Hit the bell. Do it. Do a flippy move. Ooh, that was a fast one. And we're going to give this guy a quick shake. Doesn't need too much. About a 10-second shake. Slap to unseal. And we're going to serve this in a nice, fancy highball glass with some ice cubes. Get your Hawthorne strainer, put it on the right way, and strain into your glass. It's got a beautiful color, this one. Okay, we're gonna grab a nice straw, try to work it down in there. The problem with leaving the glasses in the freezer with ice is it solidifies, and then you can't get the straw down. Look at that. Okay, garnish. We're gonna do a nice dehydrated grapefruit slice, and this is an optional ingredient, but I like to top off with just a little hint of soda water. I'm just gonna freshen the drink, lighten it up, give it a little bit of fizz. It's beautiful. And there you have it. There is the 212 cocktail. Let's make it nice and presentable for the B-roll. So, it's not a very complicated drink. It's got some nice, bright, refreshing flavors. It's kind of like a Paloma. Okay, so tequila and grapefruit go really well together, and the Aperol just complements it with a little bit of bitterness and some additional citrus notes. Very refreshing, goes down easy, and I do like that little bit of soda water. It really brightens it up a bit. So, hope you give this one a try. It's easy to make, and it's easy to drink. It's a great little tequila cocktail. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Cheers.